everyone and welcome back to FXax. My name is Max and today we're taking a look at SpreadEx. Now, if you're from the UK, there's a fair chance you've heard the name before. Maybe from spread betting, maybe from trading, or maybe because your Uncle Nigel has been telling everyone at Christmas for the last 15 years that he nearly made a fortune on the FTSE. Cheers, Nigel. SpreadEx is one of those brokers that doesn't seem overly interested in shouting about itself. Whilst everyone else is busy promising wanted 5,000 leverage, Lamborghinis, and enough bonuses to make a supermarket loyalty card blush, SpreadEx has been quietly getting on with business since 1999, building a reputation around regulation, reliability, and, dare I say it, sensible behaviour. It's all wonderfully British. If some brokers are the Wolf of Wall Street charging around in a Ferrari, SpreadEx is the chap arriving in a well-maintained Jaguar wearing a tweed jacket, apologising because he's 3 minutes early. Now, that's either incredibly reassuring or, for some of you, slightly concerning. Because in trading, boring can sometimes be brilliant. Equally, boring can mean you've wandered into the financial equivalent of a village council meeting. So, which is it? There are timestamps below if you'd like to skip ahead. Feel free, of course, although you'll be missing out on the witty repartee, several completely unnecessary bookmaker references, and what I hope will be at least one joke that makes our editors sigh deeply before reluctantly putting it into the final cut. Let's sharpen the axe. Let's start what we always do, because before we worry about spreads, platforms, or shiny indicators, there's one very simple question. Can I trust these people with my money? Fortunately for SpreadEx, this is probably its strongest opening hand. The company is authorised and regulated by the FCA, which remains one of the most respected financial regulators anywhere in the world. That means client money must be held in segregated accounts, strict compliance standards apply, retail protections are in place, and eligible clients may benefit from FSCS protection up to £85,000 if the firm were ever to fail. Now, that doesn't make your trades any better. Unfortunately, the FCA still refuses to regulate bad decisions. Trust me, I've checked. But it does mean you're dealing with a broker operating under genuine scrutiny, rather than simply renting a pier box on a tropical island with an impressive sounding company name. SpreadEx has also been operating since 1999, which is worth mentioning because most brokers don't accidentally survive for more than 25 years. They've lived through the dot-com crash, the financial crisis, Brexit, COVID, more interest rate changes than I care to count, and somehow they're still here. That's either remarkable resilience or that they make a very good cup of tea. The onboarding process reflects that same philosophy. It isn't flashy, it isn't trying to feel like you're signing up for the latest social media app. It's simply efficient. Registration takes you smoothly through the necessary FCA compliance steps, documents upload without unnecessary drama, and verification feels structured rather than obstructive. I never found myself repeatedly uploading the same password while questioning my own identity, which, as we've discovered with certain brokers, is apparently not a guarantee these days. Once verified, everything opens up immediately. The dashboard is clean, logically organised, and easy enough to navigate without needing a treasure map or a YouTube tutorial narrated by someone called Dave with a suspiciously loud microphone. Funding follows much the same pattern. You can deposit using debit cards, credit cards, Apple Pay or bank transfer, and importantly there's no minimum deposit requirement, which is a nice touch. Whether you're starting with £50 or 50,000, nobody at SpreadEx seems particularly interested in judging you. Withdrawals are handled sensibly too, returning funds to the original payment method wherever possible to comply with anti-money laundering rules. Again, it's all very grown up. Now, if you're someone who likes funding accounts using crypto, Skrill, Nutella, or 17 different digital wallets you've collected over the years, you'll probably find the options a little limited. SpreadEx sticks with more traditional payment methods, which won't suit everyone, but it does align with its FCA first approach. And really, that's the recurring theme here. SpreadEx isn't trying to be the coolest broker in the room. It's trying to be the one that your accountant would recommend. We've given that an 8.8. Strong FCA regulation, smooth onboarding and dependable funding create an excellent first impression, even if payment methods remain a little old school. Now, let's talk about everyone's favourite subject, paying less money. SpreadEx keeps things refreshingly straightforward, which is becoming something of a pattern. Rather than bombarding you with 6 different account types named after precious metals and mythical creatures, it focuses on 2 clear approaches, CFD trading and spread betting. And for UK traders, that's an interesting distinction. Spread betting has long been one of those uniquely British financial inventions. Somewhere along the line, someone looked at horse racing, looked at financial markets and thought, I wonder if we can combine these. Apparently, the answer was yes. It also carries potential tax advantages for eligible UK traders, which immediately makes accountants across the country noticeably more animated, if accountants do actually get animated. CFD traders are well catered for too, with retail leverage capped at 1 to 30 under FCA rules, exactly as you'd expect from a properly regulated broker. No eye-watering 1 to 3,000 leverage here, which, to be fair, may disappoint adrenaline junkies, but probably keeps quite a few trading accounts alive longer than they otherwise would be. Spreads themselves are competitive, sitting around 0.6 pips on Euro to USD and roughly 0.9 pips on GBP to USD, placing SpreadEx comfortably within the range you'd expect from an established FCA broker. It's not attempting to win the world's tightest spread competition, nor is it charging enough to make your wallet file a formal complaint. Instead, everything feels balanced, transparent, predictable. And after reviewing dozens of these brokers, I've discovered predictable is actually a rather underrated quality. There aren't hidden surprises lurking in paragraph 47 of the T's and C's, waiting to leap out like an overexcited pantomime villain. You know what you're paying. You know why you're paying it. And that's surprisingly refreshing. We've given that an 8.2. Competitive spreads, clear pricing, and the flexibility of both CFDs and spread betting make this a very tidy offering, even if the ultra-low cost traders may find slightly sharper options elsewhere. Right, confession time. When I first read that SpreadEx didn't offer MetaTrader, I instinctively raised an eyebrow, because MT4 and MT5 have become almost universal. They're the fish and chips of retail trading. So when someone says we've made our own platform, my first thought is usually, oh dear. But that's where SpreadEx surprised me. Instead of simply copying what everyone else has done, they've built their own proprietary platform available across web, iPhone, iPad, and Android. Now, ordinarily that sentence fills me with about the same confidence as hearing, don't worry, I've watched a YouTube video, moments before someone attempts DIY electrics. Proprietary platforms can be brilliant, or they can be total disasters. Thankfully, this falls much closer to the first category. The layout is clean, navigation is intuitive, charts are responsive, and everything feels like it's been designed by people who actually trade, rather than by an over-caffeinated marketing department trying to reinvent the wheel. It's not trying to dazzle you with flashing lights or animated watch lists that look like the cockpit of an F-35. It simply works. And frankly, that's quite relieving. Where things get even better is the TradingView integration. That's a smart addition because, let's be honest, half the trading world already lives inside TradingView anyway. Being able to combine that charting environment with SpreadEx's execution gives traders the best of both worlds. You also get advanced charting, technical indicators, price alerts, custom layouts, daily market updates, weekly outlooks, trading signals, an economic calendar, educational resources. It's all very comprehensive without ever feeling cluttered. And that's quite an achievement. Some brokers throw absolutely everything onto the dashboard and hope you'll eventually figure it out. Using some platforms feels like opening the cockpit of a Boeing 747 when all you wanted was directions to Marks and Spencer's. SpreadEx avoids that trap rather nicely. Now, there is one obvious omission. No MT4 and no MT5. For traders who spent years building expert advisors, custom indicators and automated systems around MetaTrader, that's going to be a real downside. It's a bit like turning up to Wimbledon and discovering they've replaced tennis with badminton. Perfectly respectable, just not what some people came for. Asset coverage, however, is excellent. You've got Forex, indices, shares, ETFs, commodities, bonds, options. It's a broad selection, particularly compared with many brokers operating in the same regulatory space. So, while the platform may not suit absolutely everybody, the overall trading environment feels polished, capable, and remarkably mature. A 7.9. Excellent proprietary platform, TradingView integration, and broad market access make this a very capable setup, only losing marks for the absence of MetaTrader. One thing we've discovered while reviewing brokers is this: customer service only really matters when something goes wrong. When everything's working perfectly, no one wakes up thinking, I wonder how quickly live chat would answer today. But the moment your account went verified, withdrawal takes longer than expected, or you've somehow managed to click buy instead of sell, suddenly customer service support becomes the most important department in the building. Thankfully, SpreadEx performs extremely well here. Support is available through live chat, email and telephone, so you've always got multiple ways of getting hold of someone, depending on how urgently you need help. During testing, I connected to a real human being via live chat in around a minute. A genuine person, not an AI called Oliver who insists your issue has been resolved despite you're still staring at exactly the same problem. The responses were clear, direct and refreshingly honest. There wasn't any scripted dancing around the question or endless copy and paste responses. I asked something and wait for it. They answered it. Imagine that. It's almost revolutionary. Beautiful in its way. The interaction actually reminded me of walking into a proper independent bookshop rather than one of those giant department stores where 6 different people send you to 6 different floors before admitting they don't stock what you wanted anyway. Professional, efficient, helpful, and importantly, they seemed to understand the platform. Now I know that sounds like a low bar, but as we all know, it really isn't. Customer support isn't glamorous and it probably won't feature heavily in anyone's marketing campaign, but good support quietly builds trust over time. SpreadEx clearly understands that. An 8.8. Fast access to knowledgeable human support makes this one of the broker's strongest areas and reinforces its reputation for professionalism. So to the USPs. What I like most about SpreadEx is that it doesn't pretend to be something it isn't. It isn't trying to be the world's biggest crypto exchange. It isn't offering ridiculous leverage. It isn't dangling sports cars in front of news traders like some sort of financial game show. Instead, its biggest strength is simply knowing exactly who it's built for. The combination of spread betting and CFD trading immediately makes it stand out, particularly for UK traders looking to take advantage of the flexibility that spread betting can offer. And then if you add in FCA regulation, no minimum deposit, trading view integration, a genuinely good proprietary platform, strong customer support, educational resources, and you've got something that feels remarkably complete. It isn't trying to impress you with gimmicks, it's trying to earn your confidence. And there's something rather refreshing about that. It almost feels like meeting someone who doesn't begin every conversation by telling you how successful they are. Instead, they just quietly get on with it and somehow end up being the most competent person in the room. 8.6, a well-rounded, thoughtfully designed broker whose biggest USP is maturity, flexibility, and confidence in doing the basics exceptionally well. So our overall FXAC score is an 8.4. SpreadEx is a bit like a really good tailor. It isn't trying to sell you sequin jackets or fluorescent trainers. It simply measures everything carefully, makes sure it fits properly, and quietly sends you on your way, looking considerably more respectable than when you turned up. And that's exactly how this broker feels. Throughout testing, there were very few moments where SpreadEx tried to impress me. Instead, it simply kept doing things properly. The onboarding was smooth. The regulation is first class. Funding is straightforward. Customer support was excellent. The proprietary platform turned out to be far better than unexpected, and the TradingView integration is a valuable addition. Yes, of course, there are compromises. The lack of MetaTrader will immediately rule it out for some traders, particularly those heavily invested in automated systems or custom indicators. Funding options also feel a little conservative compared to some of the more international competitors. And if you're looking for enormous leverage or every payment method under the sun, you'll probably find the offerings slightly too traditional. But perhaps that's entirely the point. SpreadEx isn't chasing every trend. It's building a stable, well-regulated trading environment for people who simply want to get on with trading. It's less Wolf of Wall Street, more the King's Speech. Less nightclub in Ibiza, more members club in St James's. It probably owns several pairs of polished brogues, and honestly, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, as my feet will attest to. So, who is this for? If you're a UK trader who values strong regulation, sensible trading conditions, spread betting, flexibility, and excellent customer support, SpreadEx deserves to be very high on your shortlist. If you're chasing MetaTrader, offshore leverage, or the latest shiny trading gadget, there are probably better options elsewhere. But if your priority is finding a broker that quietly gets the fundamentals right, SpreadEx, an extremely convincing case. Now importantly, SpreadEx comfortably clears our 7 out of 10 threshold, so it earns a place on our coveted approved list. That means if you decide it's the right broker for your trading style, we'll happily leave our affiliate link in the description below. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it allows us to keep putting brokers through exactly this type of independent review. As always though, don't choose a broker because we have an affiliate link. Choose it because it suits your trading style. On this occasion, we think SpreadEx has earned that recommendation. From FXAX, I'm Max. See you next time at the sharp end.